So, I tried to show you this painting, but this is like the 100th time I'm trying to video this. Okay, so the smaller crack one is Crackle, Chrome Crackle, sorry, Chroma Crackle. Can you see that? I just tried it yesterday. I bought it yesterday and tried it. And it's giving me a smaller patterns of crackle here. It's not all dry, so I only painted the parts that are dry. And the golden crackle is thicker. These are more delicate, I would say, but they, you know, I really kind of like it. It looks kind of cool. Right here is like a little web pattern. It's kind of neat. And I basically just took slate, sepia, and espresso and teakwood, and I mixed that here. I just put it on my brush and painted right over it. Not a big deal. On the blue part, I don't know if you can see this. I don't know what I'm recording, it's so hard. I took a piece of felt and I took a piece of felt, poured some ink on the top. This is Lori Williams, if you're a society member, she showed us this. And you just rub it, because these spaces, I have a lot of white spaces and they're tight, so I don't know if I really want to use a brush, because, you know, I can get more control using this with the inks. And then I will paint the leaves like I did on the original. I hope that helps, and I hope you'll try it. Thank you for watching. This is the tree that I painted last week. I drew last week with and I added here is the Chroma Crackle paste. Over here is the golden Crackle paste. And I painted different browns and grays. And over the Chroma, I had, when I was brushing it, it removed some of it, but those were in really thick areas. When I used the bottle without alcohol, just poured it on, it didn't, the crackle didn't come off as much, but when I added alcohol to the color, it came off.
Come learn, create, and share with us. It's a life-changing opportunity. Excite the artist within.